Oh, hi guys. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Noreen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Now, today I will be doing part one of my two-part series. So, guys, make sure you come back next week for part two. Today I will be doing pepper steak. In the bowl, I have 1 kilogram of steak that I've cut in strips and cleaned with vinegar and lime juice, and I've washed in warm water. I will season that with powdered season, guys, and move on to blend my seasoning. In the blender, I have onion, scallion, garlic, ginger root, pimento, guys, celery, bell pepper, and I've blended them all, and I will pour on a generous amount over my seasoned steak and put it to rest for about 2 hours. So guys, after 2 hours in the pot, I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I add my steak to that with 2 cloves of garlic, and I will stir fry this for anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes, guys, and then I will remove it from the pot onto a plate. Guys, we're gonna move straight into our sauce. So I have the soy sauce, and to that I will add a tablespoon of sugar, and I will stir this in. My helper in the kitchen today is my daughter Danielle. She wants to learn how to do this, guys, so she's riding with me in the kitchen. All right, so garlic, bell pepper, salted color, ginger root, scallion, tomatoes, put them all in. I'm just going to show you how I do the onions, guys. I cut it in half, then I cut it in quarters, and then I use my fingers to remove the layers from the quarter pieces, so I have chunks of onions in the pot. Saute all the vegetables, then add to that the steak. Guys, I'm gonna stir this around so that the flavors from the onions can get into the steak. To that, I will add the soy sauce and just about half of teaspoon of browning so I can get the desired color that I need. And guys, just look at that. The pepper steak is finished. Next week, you're gonna see the next part of the barbie fry chicken so that you will see the complete meal. And so thank you guys for coming along with me this week in the kitchen, another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. I hope you'd enjoy this cooking experience with me. It's peppered steak done Jamaican style. Remember guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Turn up the likes on this video, guys. Share it with your friends. Let them know our food we prepare. Come and get your share. Remember, follow me on Instagram at WIMMS 2020 and like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Remember, people, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload a video. Remember, people, I love you all. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate it. And next week, I'm going to show you how we arrive at this scrumptious meal.